Well, I hired a handyman to fix the appliances and different things around the house. He stole food from my fridge.
I did take one bottle of water from the fridge.
I'm the victim here.
No, ma'am. You are not the victim.
Yes, I am. This is crazy.
You won't believe what just unfolded in that courtroom. Let's dive in. Homeowner Julie Dixon went after her former handyman, Eric Parker, in court, demanding $15,000 in damages. She accused him of not only leaving jobs unfinished, but also ruining parts of her home that didn't even need fixing. Julie walked in expecting an easy win, but the case took an unexpected turn.
Dixon versus Eric Parker. Ms. Dixon, you're the plaintiff here, so we'll start with you. You are seeking $15,000 in damages for you had construction done in your house, and you're saying that the defendant caused those damages. Am I reading that correctly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am, can you tell us what happened?
Well, I hired a handyman to fix the appliances and different things around the house, and he did not finish the work. He left after 4 days. He came in late and left early, and he stole food from my fridge.
I'm sorry, he did what?
He stole food from my fridge, drinks and beer, and without even asking me. And also, he videotaped me without my consent.
What do you mean he videotaped you?
He videotaped me.
I'm sorry, that's just a very weird thing. How did you know he videotaped you?
Because I found the video on.
You saw the video?
Yeah, put it online.
And you, and you're, did you just say he put it online?
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
Mr. Parker, wow. There's a pretty strong allegations against you. You mind telling us what happened?
They're either false or very misleading.
Okay.
Now, yes, she did call onto me to work on repairs for her house. That is true. However, I have no idea what damages she is talking about. When I left on my last day, there were no damages that could be attributed to my repair work.
Ms. Dixon, what work did you hire Mr. Parker to do?
Well, I had him to fix the toilet and the shower and a few appliances around the house. He didn't finish all the tasks.
Okay. And you said that this was 4 days of work?
Yes.
Does this sound accurate as far as the work that she described that she hired you for?
The tasks she assigned me are accurate, yes. And what I worked on, I did work on what she asked me to work on, the shower, the toilet, the pipes. The reason I left early, because I was not compensated for my...
Eric had a straightforward rule for his work. He always asked for half the payment up front and the rest once the job was done. It was his way of keeping things fair and ensuring both sides stayed...
I have a personal policy where when I meet with a client, they give me a down payment, half up front and then half when I finish the job.
How much was the job that you was supposed to get paid for this?
I was supposed to be paid $15,000.
So did she pay you the $7,500?
No, she did not.
Now you just said that your policy is that half now, half when the job is completed. Did I get that correctly?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so she owed you $7,500 before, if my math is correct, $7,500 before the job got started, but you did the job anyway without her paying?
Real shock came when it was revealed that she never even paid him the $7,500 up front as promised. Yet, despite not receiving a dime, Eric still got to work, trusting that she'd hold up her end of the deal.
Yes, see, I saw the state of the appliances of her home, and I figured I should cut her a bit of slack and work on them while she can get ahead of herself. So I figured, you know, I could probably just charge her $500 per appliance, and then when I finish that, then, you know,
You'll go for the rest.
That's where we go.
Did you guys sign a contract in relation to any of this?
To make things even messier, there was no signed contract, just a verbal agreement. That meant neither Julie nor Eric had solid proof to support their claims. Without any paperwork, the case quickly turned into a legal nightmare.
No physical contract, it was verbal communication.
Do you agree that it was a verbal contract between you two?
Yes.
Does it say it told you about the policy, it's $7,500 now, $7,500 later? Does that sound correct to you?
That is correct, but I told him, get the work done.
Before we get to that part, ma'am, here's what I want to know. He said that he had a policy of $7,500, half of the work, half of the price to do the work, and that he put that aside to start the work for you. Did you agree that, okay, I know I don't have it now, or why didn't you pay him the $7,500 at that point? That's what I'm
Well,
asking.
first of all, Your Honor, he came to work late and was leaving early.
I got that,
I mean,
but
it's
he
like
said,
slacking around the
I
house
understand
and
that, ma'am, but
taking my
he
stuff
said
without
that
even asking.
prior to working, I charge half, and then I'm expect to get compensated the other half when I'm done. He started work and you didn't pay $7,500. May I ask why you didn't pay $7,500 before he started working? That's what I'm trying to get at.
I mean, Your Honor, he basically said he was gonna, finish the tasks, but yet he didn't.
So you don't have an answer as to why he gave you special treatment? You don't know why?
No, sir.
So, okay. Here's my problem though. I don't see anything to correlate what you just said. You didn't present this court with anything. You didn't present this court with any documents or pictures to support what you just said.
Julie's true nature is coming to light, and the case is taking a surprising turn. As the details unravel, it's clear there's much more to this story than anyone first realized.
I mean, even the construction guys could see that there was
I
damage.
understand that, but you didn't bring any construction guys in here as witnesses on your behalf.
No, sir.
Let me ask you this question. The defendant is also having a countersuit against you in the amount of $50,000. And it says here for reimbursement for services rendered plus damages to him. What damages did you receive?
In a stunning turn of events, the tables have flipped. Instead of Eric being on the defensive, Julie now finds herself in serious trouble. With new evidence emerging, she's about to face legal consequences for her actions.
The plaintiff was very agitated and irate. She almost got physical and started threatening me. And so I videotaped her.
At first, you might have questioned why Eric chose to record a video of Julie. The reason? He needed undeniable proof to protect himself in court. With no written contract to rely on, he made sure to document everything, just in case. Now that footage could turn the entire case upside down.
Yeah, the videotape. How did you end up videotaping her?
She was almost getting physical. She was very agitated, very irate. I figured for the sake of covering my own rear, to put it,
okay.
I would at least take a video so in case Ms. Dixon brought any false or misleading allegations to the court, I would have something to back me up.
All right, and the other thing that she made an accusation of is that you stole basically out of your refrigerator. Is that accurate? Did you?
Okay, I don't know about the beer. I don't know about the food. I will admit, I did take one bottle of water from the fridge. It was a very hot day. I was working on the AC, and I figured I'd help myself to just one bottle of water.
Okay.
More than just one bottle. There was a six-pack of beer, and there was 3 missing.
Is it really that serious if a worker grabs a quick drink of water from your fridge while on the job? Calling them a thief over something so small seems a bit much. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments.